What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, good morning. How you do? You know, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go figure out a way to make the doctor come at your place. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you know, I want to just say a few things about the good girl. Yeah, man. I want to say a few things about the good girl. Yeah? Alicia Kim, I want to say big up yourself, and I want to say enough and whole heap of respect. Seeing you, I watched your video the other day. Yeah? I watched your video the other day, the one where you done at Jamaica there. And I feel nice. I feel very comfortable. I feel very respectful. I feel very happy when I see you walking, you and your family, buying things, enjoying yourself, respecting the moment. It makes me feel good to know that after every storm, there is a calm. Yeah, after every storm, there is a calm. I feel good for you. I feel happy for you. Big up, crew. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much, big up, crew, for the support on support me and for the support on support Alicia Kim. None of us is perfect. Not one of us is perfect. If any one of you tell me say you're not perfect, you see, remember me tell me, come find you know, and make you tell me what you do to get that perfection of life. Because remember me tell you, perfect? Nope, nobody. None of we. None of who know. Not perfect. But I am excited. I know me, I know for my life, I know me, but me excited to see you and how you are live and how you are going and how things are going for you and you know which part you're there in your life right now. You know, me happy to see you and me don't really care what nobody want to say. Yeah, me don't care what nobody want to say. When you left a man, you not take him back. He could have come at you, he could have beg and a chat. When him did have you, he never know what he do. No ride again. My blood clot. Oh. Remember me tell you. Just enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, and just big up yourself and big up your big up crew and big up everybody and just let me say this to you. Just don't have no regret. Just don't have no regret. Because guess what? Every situation in a life help you to fly away. Every situation in a life that you believe, oh this, oh that, oh this. No. Let me say this to you. I never feel bad about no downfall or nothing bad that I do. No, I do not. You know why? I learn from it. I learn from it. And Alicia Kim, me know say you learn from what happened to you. And me know it now go happen again. Me know it now go happen again. Because when you left a boy, you not take him back. Him could have come at your yard, him could have beg and a chat. When him did have you, he never know what he do. No ride again. Remember me tell you. Yeah, man. And that's my belief, though, you know. People, that's my belief. If me and you did there, and me and you left, me and you, I go back? No, sir. Me and you now go back? None at all. No matter what you do, have or get, me and you now go back at all. Because guess what happened? Until death do me and you part, me go still remember. That's why, listen me good. If me and you there, and you go give a man some of the kuna honey, and me know, me know, say you go give away the kutai, and me know, but they can't stand up. But they can't stand up. But they will dead forever once it's you. So because of that, we now go be. Anyhow, me and you there, and you go give away the kutai, but they can't stand up. But they cannot work no more. So that's why, because it go be in my mind every day. So that's why if me and you broke up, we not there again. But guys, I am very happy, me feel good for Alicia Kim and how she a move. She got reggae some fest. She down there enjoy herself. And guys, hold on a little bit. You know, she got reggae some fest, you see? And the dirty mind people them, we couldn't go a reggae some fest. Over there complain about, talk about how this lady used the money where people give her to go a reggae some fest. Now, guys, let me say this, you see? Those people who give her the money, they go to work the money go in them pocket. They take it out and send it to her. What the hell do these people believe? Did they give their money or they give for their money? Why? And this is why, guys, listen what I'm saying. This is why I have to start to make other different kind of content. Because I cannot get up every day, sit down and just making the same kind of content over and over, talking about these non-progressive elements and talking about these people and giving them highlights. And because if you notice, they can't make videos. They cannot make videos, and that's why I have to sit down and make changes to the channel. So that's why I'm asking you guys, even though the videos may not be a video that you like, because I may not be talking about Alicia Kim or I may not be talking about them, I am asking, watch the videos. Like, share, comment on the videos. Because remember, everything starts like a baby. A baby creep before walk. So the new videos that I'm going to making, they may not be that polished because I'm trying to get into something different. So I'm trying to balance the way how I approach those videos, because I don't want to approach them the same way how I approach the gossip videos. So in other words, I want to be giving you information, news, a little gossip when I get it, and lifestyle. I'm going to have other channel, but guys, each time I say I go put those channels together, I just cannot, because as you all know, my food truck is down, so I have to find other ways and means of making money to pay bills. Because again, as you all see, I am very scared of asking for help. I am very, very scared. If you all see what happened over Color Smith the other day, I'm not going to talk about it, but I am scared of asking for help. So what I do is when you don't see me, I'm hustling, I'm doing this, I'm doing that to make my money, because that's my food truck was my only source of income. And you know, you all know what I'm doing with my truck, and it just hurt my heart when I have to cannot be doing the events, and I have to be giving the events away, and I have to be turning them down. Small catering, I able to do small catering, but the big ones, I cannot do the big ones that they want with the truck. Most of what they want is the truck, but so be it. I have to just take my time until I get back to where I was. You know, eventually 2027 will be that year. So for now, I'm just, you know, so that's why I'm asking you guys to watch these videos, like, share, and comment, and watch the ads. So that means at least the YouTube money can, you know, because to be honest with you guys, sometimes you hear people talk about how much money they're making on YouTube. When I get paid from YouTube, what I get? I'll get 300, 500. You know, guys, let me say this. You're in the US. A dollar is a dollar. When you're in Jamaica and you get paid from YouTube, if you get $1,000 in Jamaica, that's 100,000 Jamaican dollars. But in the US, that's $1,000. I don't have car payment, so that's good. So if I did have car payment, that's half of the money. So then, like food, water, and all those things, you know. So then, mortgage, you know how the thing go. You know how them thing go. So that's how those things go. So it's not like a walk in the park, but I saw it go. But guys, yes, the whole thing about with Alicia Kim, me just love to see how Alicia Kim operate, and she do her good thing, and she done a Jamaica there, and I have a nice time with her family. I really want. Hold on there. Let me put on this up. Let me put on this camera. Yeah. Let me walk, because me I go walk and then me say what me I say. You just wait a little bit. I walk. Alicia, where you there? You know, Alicia, because somebody tell me one day, say, Rodney, you know, you spoil up her name. Me say, somebody tell me one day, say, send me a message, say, Rodney, you know, you spoil up her name. It's Alicia. me say, I laugh till a week. Yeah, man, I laugh till a week. But hear what me I say, Alicia, you know, me would I like to see you just sit down and reflect upon your life, you see? Just reflect. You can make a video or maybe not make no video still, but just sit down and rock back and reflect upon your life. Upon, you know, your life. What you could have done. What you could have been. You know, and Alicia Kim, you know what may I say to you? This is just me talking to you as a person who does like talk about business. Write a memoir or just write a book. This is my life. Some form of something that people who love you, who respect you, who care about you, can have to sit down and reminisce on. A book is something that people can sit down and talk to their grandkids or their friends about your situation. A book that people can say, man, I love this girl. She gone through this, she gone through that. She's a survivor. You know, a book that you can help. And Alicia Kim, what I'm saying here now to you is not something that you should take light. I would like for you to sit down and at least think about what I'm saying to you right now. A book that people out there who live with a narcissist, a person who manipulate and control and try to manipulate their whole entirely life. A person who live with or around a narcissist could at least see and read and listen to what to look for when dating a person who is a narcissist. I would like for you to indulge in a book like that, so that people out there who is having a, people who is out there who is having a rough time in a relationship, that they don't even realize that they are being manipulated, that they're living with a narcissist. I would like for you to sit down and put a book like that together. So that means somebody can learn from your experience. Somebody can learn from what you have been through, or at least close to what you have been through. Because, listen, many people may sit down and talking about, you know what you're doing, your mother know what you're doing, but they're not sitting down and thinking about, this person know what he was doing when he comes and love bomb you, push all that money, push all that narrative, push all that, oh baby, my woman cannot, hold on, my woman cannot live in Jamaica while I live in America. That won't be love, baby. You gotta come to live in America with me, baby. None of them is talking about the bomb love, the love bomb, whatever you want to call it, that he put onto you and get you to leave your job from Jamaica to come to the US, because your husband is now living in America, and he won't be coming back to Jamaica. So he wants his wife to come and live with you. None of them is talking about that. None of them is talking about that part of it. Jesus, God Almighty. Guys, this is why I do not want to continue to make videos about these things, because it just hurt my heart. None of them is talking about you were in Jamaica doing your job, and this man come love bomb you with the money that him and Betty sell the house, and showing you all this money. He was showing you the cheese and telling you that this is what I'm going to do for you. This is what I'm going. None of them is talking about the empty promises. All them are talking about is, you know what you were doing. Even if you know what you were doing, you were doing what you were doing because of the promises that the man tell you and what the man give you. Manipulation, control tactics, narcissism, narcissist at its best. A narcissist will never say they're wrong. Never say they're wrong. And that's something that you all need to sit down and look at. Alicia Kim did not love bomb this man. Nope, she didn't do that. She did not do that. So now she living your best life. Alicia Kim, you're living your best life. Yeah, man. Love it, man. Love the life you live and live the life you love and enjoy yourself to the fullest. If you want to fly go to Jamaica 20 times, hey guys, look on the deer over there. So. You see him over there? Turn up over there. Look. When there? You see him? You see him over there? I don't know if you can see him, but him there. You see him? See him run across the street? See him? See him run across there? See him? You see him? Wait. Guys, you see why it is good to come out in the wilderness? Because we ain't gone. So, guys, check this out. I don't know where he gone. But in jump cross there. So that means it's not deep. Anyway, guys, how Alicia Kim is living, I believe that she should have a memoir. Maybe not a big book, but a small book. And I go tell you something, Alicia Kim. I think you should write a book And the book should name Living with a Narcissist. Your picture, pan it, big ol' living with a narcissist, or my life with a narcissist. Something. You need to make that book. Yes, so that means people can understand. So yes, guys, so that's what me believe Alicia Kim need to do. You know, put a memoir out there, a book that people can read, that people that live in the same situation she have lived, people who have, you know, and like explain to people how you maneuver that situation. Explain to people how did you deal with the situation. Explain to people how did you get out of the situation without losing your sanity, without losing your mind, without losing your marbles, without losing everything, without getting mad, crazy. People need to know, because a lot of people come out of the situation that you were in, and most of them end up mad. Most of them go at the psych ward. Most of them gone unalive themselves. Most of them don't know where to go. They live on the street, they live on the bridge, which that's what that guy wanted. Some of them end up back in Jamaica, which that guy wanted, but it never happened because you have a strong mindset. So most of these people want your help. Most of these people need your help. And I believe that you should give them your help. I believe that you should give them your help. I believe that you should have a corner where you make videos talking. Alicia, I believe you should have a set of shots that you give people, little short snippets of how to deal with a narcissist. What do you think? I think you should do it. I think you should have a thing where you help people and teach people how to deal with a narcissist. Me can do it too, you know. You know how you deal with them? No say nothing. Just sit down and plan your way out. Now make them know. Save a money in a different account. You see it? You see what I say, Alicia Kim? You see them talk about you and account and sitting? Because we are not idiot. A January born. We are not idiot. When you have a man or a woman, you know if you have a little extra money hide somewhere about. Because if that man ever do no certain thing, you can't go about to no business. And if that girl ever do no certain thing, man, you can't go about to no business. So have a little bit of money hide somewhere about in our bank or somewhere about in a bush. Because at the end of the day, your life, live your life, boy. Live your life, because now is the time for you to strive. Yeah, man. Alicia Kim, live your life, boy. Live your life, because now is the time for you to strive. Hey, where them nice people here come from? Them just see me around here and just come around here. I want to come make whole heap of nice. You hear them? Whole heap of nice ever make, guys. Whole heap. Too much nice. Hey, you know, I want to just say a little thing, you see? Live your life, Alicia Kim. That's how my mother say. Live your life, boy. Live your life, because now is the time for you to strive. Alicia Kim, you know what you're doing. live your life, Alicia Kim. That's way Rodney I say, live your life, why? Live your life, because now is the time for you to strive. Me nah going no more. Me nah going no more. Me nah going no more. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know how it go. Me dey out here and me I go and take it easy. Me I go and make some videos. And again, as me say, guys, most of the videos them when me I make nowadays go be a little different than the ones that you used to me for. So what me I try to do is me have try to cut out this whole heap of gossip, you know, because it just has to stay one place, yeah. This whole heap of gossip, you know, the channel now really go like how me want it to go. And you don't know when you're in a business or when you do anything and it now go like how you want it to go, you have to make changes, yeah. So the changes what me I make is just that me I make other different content, because again, me a content creator, so me not just want to sit down and make one kind of video I talk about one person or two person. Me need to start to talk about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different, 10 different kind of person, but only in the same style, you know. Different, same and different style, but at the end of the day, we have to do what we want and what we think is best for us, you know. And I want to make the videos that you also want to watch. So it's not about only me. I have to make the videos that you want to watch. So I'll be still making gossip videos. I'll be still making all kind of videos, but now I want to make a little bit more of more lifestyle videos, more videos about what's going on in the world, more video about, you know, a lot of things, you know, news and all those kind of things, you know. So I'm working on a bunch of something, a bunch of things, because at the end of the day, me have to do what's right for me and my viewers and my subscribers. So me don't know, so you like the gossip, you like to get the information about what are going on with people, but you still go get that, but me go venture off more and more things. So what me ask you is just watch the videos them, like the videos them, support the videos them, even though the videos may not say that person or that person, you know, the video just say Jamaican arrested for fraud, you know. So if they say Jamaican arrested for fraud, me ask you know, watch the videos, because sometimes a lot of us don't even hear about that. So, you know, I go highlight those things and do more things. And guys, anytime the new channel them come out, me go make you know say them come out, and then we can move on from there. So me I say, and live coming up, guys, and something what me plan to do is coming up, and me go do it in a different way, and hopefully you like it. So again, I'm out. Bye bye, stay tuned.